See? Happy the roof.
Oh, for real, for real, for real.
Are y'all following? Y'all know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You can be all that happy when the roof can't hold it down. When that revelation, hear me now, when it's revealed to you. You listen to me right now, and I'm sure that somebody in this congregation here have been something new have been revealed. Again, somebody in this congregation, something new have been revealed. Have been viewed, something that you didn't see before. So happy are you, blessed art thou. Happy are you, blessed art thou. Not empowered. Not empowered. Sometimes blessed means empowered, but here it means happy. What you trying to get across, real? Because it's simple word. Happy now because you got the revelation. Happy now because you see something in your situation. Happy now because you can see the problem being solved. But as soon as you walk out this here door.
Yes, sir.
Happy gone. I told y'all about happy joy. Happy built on circumstance. You happy now? Woo! Wow! My mind just got lit up. But soon you walk out that door.
Wow.
And Satan stand right there.
Wow.
Are y'all following me?
What you gonna do?
I wish y'all could feel this thing here. Right now, he tell Peter happy. See, Jesus know everything. I know you're happy now, Peter. You ready to shout. Boy. All right, y'all got that. But look what he called Peter. He called him a bird.
Son of a dove.
Blessed art thou, Simon, here, Bar Jonah. Now, most people tell you that means John. Most people tell you that means son of Jonah, son of Jonah. That's what most preachers tell you. But see, Reverend Talbert is a little different. That's all right if you want to believe that son of Jonah. But I don't tell me a whole lot about son of Jonah. I need God to talk. Reveal to me, Lord, what you talking about.
Yeah.
So I can be happy, at least for a while. Are you following me? So what he said is that Bar means son. Jonah means dove. Dove. Are y'all following what I'm trying to get across? He's saying, happy, you son of a bird. Ooh, that don't make no sense to you, do it? Stick with me for a minute. Happy, you son of a bird. Bar Jonah. What you saying? Look at here. The people had never heard anything about Jesus' ministry. Are y'all following me? How far we won't go up to this point? That's why who the men say that I am. They've been following me all the time. They don't know I'm going to reveal something new to you. The first time that the Son of Man had been actually revealed to actually who he was. Are y'all following? This is the first time that he called himself the Son of Son of Man, the Messiah. Are y'all following me? It's been revealed. So now, when he said, happy, you son, and we're a bar, of a bird, a dove, stop and think he's going to give Peter a mission. Anybody remember when Noah, it rained 40 days, 40 nights?
Yes.
And the floods was all over the place. So God had judgment to come in on the people. Y'all read the story. Anytime y'all been looking at the movie, you ain't read the Bible when you read this movie. I know right. And you seen the flood? What did Jonah send out?
A dove.
A dove and a raven.
And what happened to the raven? And what happened to the bird? The dove.
Came back.
Came back with what?
An olive branch.
Which represented that the what? The flood. The judgment is not that good news.
Yes.
To those that are on the water for 40. No.
Yes.
Are you following it? Yeah. He's telling Peter, I'm going to make you the image. All you preachers are supposed to be. The image of a doll. A doll is what? Represents what?
Light.
Sound. Don't y'all know about the
Yes, 2 doves, yes.
and the Spirit of God, right? Is it the Spirit of God ain't in love?
Yes.
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 Is it the Spirit of God ain't in love?
Yes.
So Peter's gonna be a preacher of love.
Right.
He's gonna preach the gospel, good news of the love of God for your sins.
Right.
Why not be the image of the good news bring? Are y'all following me? Over judgment. Remember this water that over the bird. Over the water that covered the land. Judgment. And the bird goes out and finds hope. And brings good news. Can you imagine people shouting on the boat when they see this thing in the was not that the gospel? Was not that good news of God's love? He did not destroy us, but he spared us in grace and mercy. Through that not show you his love.
Yes.
How far have you been that that water was supposed to flood you out? And God allowed the birds to come back with a straw. So you got another moment of help. Who can y'all feel that?
Yes, sir.
Man, I don't know, y'all don't feel too much of the good Christians.
You got you, good.